Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new intake website blog. Today I did like to share with you Government of Republic of Bangladesh Cabinet Divisions. First of all, we can see our Prime Minister, Sheikh Hasina. She is a head of Cabinet Division and head of Ministry of Defense Armed Forces Divisions. She holds four ministries: Ministry of Public Administration, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Power, Energy and Mineral Resources, Ministry of Women and Children Affairs. Then we can see Mr. A.K.M. Mojammel Haq, MP, appointed on Ministry of Liberation War Affairs. Mr. Obaidul Kader, MP, appointed on Ministry of Road Transport and Bridges. Mr. Mohammad Abdul Razzaq, MP, appointed on Ministry of Agriculture. Mr. Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal, MP, appointed on Ministry of Home Affairs. Mr. Mohammad Hassan Mahmood, MP, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Mr. Anisul Haq, MP, Ministry of Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs. Mr. A.H.M. Mustafa Kamal, MP, Ministry of Finance. Mr. M.D. Tajul Islam, MP, appointed on Local Government Division, Ministry of Local Government, Rural Development and Cooperatives. Dr. Deepu Moni, MP, appointed on Ministry of Education. Mr. A.K. Abdul Momen, MP, appointed on Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Mr. M.A. Mannan, MP, appointed on Ministry of Planning. Mr. Nurul Majid Mahmud Humayun, MP, appointed on Ministry of Industries. Mr. Gholam Dastagir Ghazi, MP, appointed on Ministry of Textiles and Jute. Mr. Jahid Malek, MP, appointed on Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Mr. Shadhan Chandra Majumdar, MP, appointed on Ministry of Food. Mr. Tipu Monsi, MP, appointed on Ministry of Commerce. Mr. Nurujjaman Ahmed, MP, appointed on Ministry of Social Welfare. Mr. S.M. Rejaul Karim, MP, appointed on Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock. Mr. M.D. Shahabuddin, MP, appointed on Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Mr. Bir Bahadur Washi Singh, MP, appointed on Ministry of Chittagong Hill Track Affairs. Mr. Saifuzzaman Chowdhury, MP, appointed on Ministry of Land. Mr. M.D. Nurul Islam Sujon, MP, appointed on Ministry of Railway. Architect Yafes Osman, MP, appointed on Ministry of Science and Technology. Mr. Mustafa Jabbar, MP, appointed on Post and Telecommunication Division, Ministry of Post, Telecommunication and Information Technology. Mr. Imran Ahmed, MP, appointed on Ministry of Expatriates, Welfare and Overseas Employment. Thank you, audience. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Assalamu alaikum.